Good morning, everyone. I'm Divyasri of EC branch, roll number 498. Today, my topic is selection sort. Description: a sorting technique that is typically used for sequencing small list is a selection sort. The selection sort searches all of the elements in a list until it finds the smallest element. It swaps this with the first element in the list. Next, it finds the smallest of the remaining elements and swaps it with the second element. The selection sort algorithm: for each index position I, find the smallest data value in the array from positions I through length minus 1, where length is the number of data values stored. Exchange swap the smallest value with the value at position I. A selection sort example: smallest. We start by searching for the smallest element in the list. Given list 6, 2, 1, 3, 5 and 4. In given list, smallest is 1. Swap 6 with 1. 1 is swapped with 6. Now, after the smallest element is in the first position, we continue searching with the second element and look for the next smallest element. In this special case, the next smallest element is in the second position already. Swapping keeps it in this position. Swapping keeps it in the position. After the next smallest element is in the second position, we continue searching with the third element and look for the next smallest element. Swap 3 with 6. 3 is swapped with 6. Now the smallest element is 4. 6 will be swapped with 4. 6 is swapped with 4. The last two elements are in order, so no swap is necessary. First, place the first element into the temporary variable. Replace the first element with the value of the smallest element. Replace the third element in this example with the temporary variable. Code for minimum: public static int find minimum, int list int first, int minimum index is equal to first. For int index is equal to first plus 1, index is less than list dot length index. If list index is less than list minimum index is equal to index, return minimum index. Code for swap: public static void swap int list int x comma int y, int temp is equal to list x is equal to list y, and list y is equal to temp. Source code: public static void selection sort int list for int index is equal to 0, index less than list dot length minus 1 index, int minimum index is equal to find minimum list index. If minimum index is not equal to index, swap list index minimum index. Thank you for this opportunity.